Well, we got evacuated, 11 days ago, 12 days ago. And I spent the night down at Journey's Inn, and I came back the next morning. And I was parked at the county line, Trinity Humboldt, and waiting because the time before, a couple weeks before we got evacuated, and they ended up letting me go back home. And so I was hopeful, and then a friend texted me and sent me a link to that YouTube video, and I got to watch my 1952 military Marine Corps Jeep burn up. And I'm a Marine Corps veteran. I have a dog and some cats that are missing up there, and it's driving me nuts that they won't let us in there to try and find them or anything. I've been in Trinity County and up in the mountains since February of 1980 when I got out of the service. After 44 years, our families paid insurance up there. Never missed a payment. They canceled our insurance this last April. So, a few months later, we have a fire and lose everything. And even though we paid insurance for 40 plus years, we end up with nothing. It'd be nice if we could get all that money we wasted back, be able to build a new home. It was a little garden of Eden, and it was all crammed in on an acre and a quarter. There wasn't a piece of it that wasn't used for growing and for flowers. My wife loved flowers. She passed away 2 years ago, August. And so I had Japanese honeysuckles that were grown over arbors onto every walkway and every stairway on the place. We had 6 different kinds of apples. We made grape juice that our church used for communion. And it's all gone. Decades and decades of work. It was a little paradise, But I still have my son and my daughter, and my grandson is due on Christmas Day. So, it's going to get better. We'll make it. I have no doubt. They come by in the evenings with a hot meal and a sandwich for the next day, so we had at least 2 meals a day. Red Cross was able to get me a room here that would accept my dog, and I'm really grateful.